Good morning, children. Hope you all are fine. Today we will be doing a lesson in English grammar called the singular and plural forms. A word is said to be singular when it stands for one person, place, animal, bird, or thing. A word is said to be plural when it stands for more than one person, place, animal, bird, or thing. So, children, whenever we have a naming word or a noun which is single means only one, then we say it is singular. And when we have more than one naming word, it could be anything, a person, place, animal, bird, or thing. But if it is more than one, then we say it is the plural form. So singular means one thing and plural means more than one thing. तो जब भी एक चीज़ होगा तो सिंगुलर कहते हैं और अगर एक से ज़्यादा कोई चीज़ होता है तो उसे प्लूरल कहते हैं. Now let us see some examples. In the first picture, it's a picture of a ball. Now children, over here, there is only one ball. That is why it is called as singular. And we say a ball. Why a? Because ball starts with B, which is a consonant. So a is added before ball. But when it is more than one ball, like over here, then we call it plural form. And whenever it is more than one thing, S is added to the word. So my plural form is written as BALLS, balls. Let's see another example. Here we have a picture of a single girl, only one girl. And because girl starts with G, which is a consonant, I write a girl. And it is singular form. But over here, I have two girls. So it is more than one, and that's why it is plural form. And girls, because S gets added to girl. Let's see some more examples. Here we have a picture of a owl. Owl means a bird. And children, because it is one, it will be singular. And I write it as an owl. Why an? Because owl stands from O and O is a vowel. And any word which starts with a vowel has an before it. When there is more than one owl, like here there are two owls, then it becomes the plural form. And which letter gets added to the word owl? S. And so my new word becomes owls. Let's look at the next picture. Here we have a pencil, which is one pencil, so singular form. A pencil. Here we have more than one pencil. So we call it as pencils with an S. Last picture, in the last line we have a toy. Because it is one toy, I write it as a toy and it is singular form. But next to it, I have two toys. Because it is more than one, we have to add S to the word toy and it becomes toys, which is the plural form. And the last one, we have an onion, kanda. Because it is the singular form and onion starts with O, I write it as an onion. But when there is more than one onion, we add a S to onion and we call it onions, which is the plural form. So children, always remember that we write a or an only before singular nouns, only when the naming word is a single thing. We do not write a or an before plural nouns. So whenever it is more than one thing, we do not write a or an before that word. Also, when we change a noun from the singular to the plural, we add the letter S. So that's why everything in the plural form has S added to it. I hope you understood this, children. Now, let us try doing some examples in the same way. The question says, add S to the following nouns and make them plural. Let us see the first picture. The first picture is a balloon, and that's why we write it as balloon. But next to it we have more than one balloon. That means it is the plural form. And when it's the plural form, we will add the letter S to the word. So balloon will become balloons. Very good, children. Now let's do the second one. This is a picture of a single kite. But here we have more than one kite. So the plural form of kite will be kites with an S added at the end. The third picture is a cap. Next to it, we have two caps. Because it is more than one and it is the plural form, we will add S to the word caps to make it caps. The fourth picture is a carrot. Carrot. Next to it, we have three carrots. So it is the plural form, and that's why we add S to the word carrot and it becomes carrots. Then the fifth picture, we have donkey. Next to it, we have two donkeys. So this is the plural form. So donkey with an S, which will become donkeys. In the sixth one, we have yak, which is an animal. Here it is a single yak, so I write it as yak. But here we have two yaks, so it becomes the plural form, and that's why we write it as Y-A-K-S, yaks. So in this way, children, in the plural form, you have to add S at the end of the word and make them plural. Now let's see the next question. In this question, you have to look at the pictures and circle the correct noun below them. So you have to look at the pictures and decide whether it's singular or plural and circle the correct naming word. Let's do the first picture. Look over here, children. Is there one banana? or many bananas? Many bananas. So will it be the word banana or will it be banana with the S, that is bananas? Which will be the right answer, children? Yes, the right answer is bananas because it is more than one. Let's do the second one. Here we have one fork. So the answer will be fork and not forks. The third one, in the third one, we have the picture of a boat. So because it is a single boat, I have to circle the word boat. It cannot be boats. Let's see the fourth picture. In the fourth picture, here you have a nest with more than one egg. Because it is more than one egg, it is the plural form. And the plural form has an S added to it. Because it has an S added to it, the correct answer will be eggs. Let's do the fifth one. In the fifth one, you have more than one flower rose. Because it is more than one, we cannot call it a rose, but we will call it roses. So rose with an S. And the last one is a picture of a pigeon, a bird. It is a single bird or pigeon. So I have to circle pigeon. It cannot be pigeons. So children, that was all for today. I hope you understood this topic of singular and plural. Thank you and have a nice day.